In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into Cash App without a phone number. So what you want to do is you want to open up the Cash App application. And if you wanted to go ahead and sign in, go ahead and press on add an account, or you should see a sign in button. But basically what you need to do is you just need to go ahead and just press on whatever sign in button is available for you. And then you're going to get a screen that looks like this. So here's the thing, guys. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be pressing on this option instead that says use email, because we're going to be logging in with our email instead of our phone number. So thankfully, Cash App makes it so even if you don't have like the phone number, you still are able to log into your account so long as you do have the email address. So then all you want to do is you want to enter in the email address associated with your Cash App account. And once you're done with that, then Cash App is going to send a code to your Gmail. And basically you need to look through your Gmail, make sure that you do check your spam or junk folders just in case. And basically you just want to paste in the code over here, and that will actually complete the login. Okay, so your email should look something like this. So this is basically how the email will look like, and you want to paste in this code onto Cash App. And then if you did everything correctly, then you should be able to go ahead and still sign in without using a phone number. Now keep in mind, guys, if you're doing this on a device that you never used before, you may need to do some additional verification, like entering in your social security number, your full name, or date of birth. So please keep that in mind. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.